The biggest lie in the car industry? The purchase price is what matters most. It's not. Maintenance is where your money disappears. Oil changes, brake jobs, sensors, electronics. Over 5 years, some cars cost more to maintain than they're worth. But some cars are engineered differently. They're built for simplicity, and simplicity saves money. The Toyota Corolla is almost boring. And that's exactly why it's cheap to maintain. Simple engine architecture, proven transmission systems, mass global production, parts are everywhere, no complicated air suspension, no fragile turbo setups and base trims. Over 5 years, it consistently ranks among the lowest maintenance vehicles in its class. This isn't flashy ownership. This is low drama ownership. The Honda Civic has built a global reputation for durability, reliable naturally aspirated engines, affordable parts, strong resale value. Mechanics know this platform inside out. And when labor is familiar, labor is cheaper. It's efficient, predictable, proven, and predictable cars are cheap cars to maintain. Need something bigger? The Toyota Camry offers comfort without unnecessary complexity. Its engines are refined evolutions of long-tested platforms, durable transmissions, reliable electronics, minimal experimental engineering. Over 5 years, it consistently ranks among the cheapest mid-size sedans to maintain. You're paying for space, not surprise repairs. Hyundai has stepped up massively in reliability. The Elantra is proof. Affordable replacement parts, long warranty coverage, competitive service pricing. It's one of the smartest budget-friendly ownership decisions in 2026. Less prestige, more practicality. Mazda focuses on mechanical refinement over technological excess. The Mazda 3 proves it. Strong, naturally aspirated engines, minimal overcomplication, high reliability scores. Maintenance costs remain surprisingly low. For a car that feels almost premium. Here's the pattern. Naturally aspirated engines, proven transmissions, high global production, strong parts availability, minimal luxury electronics. Complexity equals cost. Simplicity equals savings. The smartest car buyers don't chase badges. They calculate long-term ownership. Because a cheap car isn't the one you buy for less. It's the one that costs you less every year. Which one would you choose? Comment below and subscribe for smarter car ownership decisions.